Hello folks, today we're back here at the firehouse, the fire burnt house, and well, I want to share with you a few more things. We're not quite ready to start demo on it, but we're getting real close to demo. But I'm up on the roof. We had this house reach probably temperatures close to 2,000 degrees inside. It turned into an oven, and so my roof is damaged. Insurance company, no, it's not damaged. Well, it definitely is. I've had other videos and showing you how to prove it. And so this is another one here. So look at my vents, look at my roof vents, hood vents, whatever you want to call them. And so you see they got a little discoloration, but basically at around the base where the heat was rising up and heating it and literally baked off the paint off of it. And you can see as you get closer to where the point of the origin of the fire, as my vents were, I got even more. Now look at this one. Totally, this is the side of this side over here is the very side that the kitchen is in on, and this is where this vent is. And look at that. I mean, it got so hot it totally discolored it. And then we go a little bit further here and you can see the difference, and we got a little bit of heat here, a little bit of discoloration here still. So it got so hot it literally discolored, burnt the heat off of that, burnt the paint off of that. So I'm coming back down over here, kind of do a quick look-see, and you can see where my vent right here is. So heat was rising up and getting inside of the attic, and this is how this got in here. But I want to show with this here. So yeah, my roof is leaking, looking like a sieve, which is natural because it's leaking around the vents. But look at this, you're not going to believe this. This is crazy. It got so hot. It got so hot. It come up my chimney here. Now there is no fireplace in here. Just go straight to the basement. This is my furnace pipes. Let me back this off a little bit here because we are so close. And so it comes so hot that the heat was rising up out here. I mean, it was over like approximately 2,000 degrees inside the house. But look at this. Look at this. Look at this. It literally, the heat coming up through here, literally warped and melted the PVC. Have you ever seen anything like that? Isn't that crazy? I have been doing this for almost 50 years, and I've not seen anything like that. And of course, you can see I got some of my mortar up here on my cap. Crown is cracking, but I just had to share with that. This is bizarre. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching our videos. Hit like, subscribe. Hey, follow us on this because we're taking this videos from the beginning of the fire burn house to the demo, all the way to the new build and all the pieces in between. And so you're going to watch a whole brand new home going down, or old home going down, and brand new home going up. Thanks, folks, for watching our videos. Hit like, subscribe. God bless. We appreciate you very much for your support.